Looking for a compact yet powerful smartphone? The iPhone 12 mini might be your perfect match. Launched in November of 2020, this nifty device was Apple's answer to those longing for a smaller form factor that didn't skimp on performance or features. With its sleek modern design, aerospace-grade aluminum edges, and vibrant 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display, it certainly packs a punch. But that's just scratching the surface. Let's delve deeper into what makes the iPhone 12 mini a powerhouse in a petite package. Aesthetics and display are key considerations in a smartphone. The iPhone 12 mini excels in both. With a sleek design, aerospace-grade aluminum edges, and a ceramic shield front cover, it's built to be both visually appealing and durable. And the color options: black, white, green, blue, and product red. Moving on to the screen, the Mini boasts a vibrant OLED Super Retina XDR display. Its resolution is a whopping 2340 x 1080 pixels, with a pixel density of 476 pixels per inch. But the iPhone 12 mini isn't just about looks, it's a performance beast too. With the A14 Bionic chip at its core, the iPhone 12 mini is all about high performance. This powerhouse of a chip boasts a 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. What does this mean for you? Expect smooth multitasking and graphics-intensive gaming, with advanced machine learning capabilities thrown into the mix. And it's all underpinned by iOS 14, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. But it's not just about performance. Let's talk camera. The iPhone 12 mini sports a dual camera system, featuring a 12-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or group shots, the camera's got you covered. Plus, with night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, your photos and videos will look stunning, no matter the lighting conditions. And with 5G connectivity, your iPhone 12 mini is ready for the future. Let's not forget about the essentials: battery life and storage. The iPhone 12 mini is equipped with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that promises all-day juice for typical usage. Need a quick power top-up? No problem. This device supports fast charging and wireless charging, offering a convenient way to replenish your battery's strength. Now, let's talk about storage. The iPhone 12 mini comes in 3 storage configurations: 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB. This gives you the flexibility to choose the capacity that best suits your needs for storing photos, videos, apps, and more. And we must mention some additional features. The iPhone 12 mini includes Face ID for secure authentication, dual SIM support, IP68 water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers for immersive audio. It's also MagSafe, compatible for easy attachment of accessories. In conclusion, the iPhone 12 mini is a compact device that doesn't compromise on features or performance. So, what's the verdict on the iPhone 12 mini? It's a compact powerhouse with a sleek design, robust performance, advanced camera system, and a plethora of features. Whether you're a fan of compact devices or looking for high performance, the iPhone 12 mini offers a compelling blend of performance and portability.